our YouTube channel and NX tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the measure command. How do we measure a sketch or a figure about an axis? So for that today we have these two sketches which we will make with the help of measure command. First I will start with the simple one because it has only one measuring element, and then we have multi mirrors. So let's start without wasting our time. Mirror is a simple command in this and the simplest command for the NX and any other design software. It will make it easy for you to make a symmetrical figures. With the figures which are symmetrical, you can make it very easily with the help of mirror. So let's start. New command, and we are going to make model. So last time I was working on drawing, that's why it is on drawing. Go to model, new model, and OK. This is our workbench where we will going to sketch. So how do we start? Note with this sketch, which you choose a sketch from menu, insert, sketch in task environment. You can start with sketching with that one, that sketch also, this sketch also, but it will not open all the sketching tools or options for working. Sketching task environment will provide you all the options. Selecting this plane and OK. So that figure was the simple square with two slots. So I will take rectangle, but before that turn off constraints and dimensioning. Now select this rectangle from the center like this. Escape, but it is easily movable like this, which we don't want. So first I'm going to give dimensions to its sides. Let it be 100, and this one also be 100. Now zoom to fit. Escape. These lines are movable. First, fix all these lines with the help of geometric constraints. Here, this endpoint with the sketch origin, this endpoint, second selection point is this sketch origin. Then this lab point with this point, second constraint point is this. Okay, this constraint point, like second point, and select it. This constraint endpoint, second point is its endpoint. Okay, this one, second one, like this, and close. Now we have square of 100 by 100. Now I am going to make an axis around here, like this. Escape, select it, right click, and convert to reference. That is, it will be a reference axis, a reference line which will act as axis. Done. Now I will give dimension of this axis from the center. It should be 50. Enter, close. Now I will make a circle there like this. Escape, selecting a line like this. Now geometric constraints we will apply, that would be tangents. This line to this circle, let me turn on automatic shift. Okay, we need tangents. This line and the circle, and the same line with this circle also. Similarly, all the constraints we will provide and close. After that, I will give radius or diameter to this circle. Let it be 15 and close. Now this is quick trim command which will remove the extra lines. Need to zoom in there to check what's wrong with it. It is joined here. Let us use quick extend. Yeah, there was a bit little gap there. Now it is fine. Better. You can also give the vertical and horizontal distance. 25. It will be 30. Now is the mirror command. From here we have this mirror command. Select the curve, select the center axis, and OK. This is how mirror command is used. Now with this we can use fillet also, this and this and this. Escape, rapid dimensions, giving let it be 50, let it be 50. Geometric constraints to join these endpoints. Now I can again use the mirror command. This curve. For that I need to select these curves first, like this. Mirror above this X. Shift and select this to deselect. Now you can remove this. The figure is completed like this with the help of mirror command. Now the next figure which we are going to use is the circular one. So for that I'm selecting all of these and delete it. Also delete this one, make it in the center. Here we will make that circular figure. For that we need circles. One and the third one. Okay, let us give some dimensions. Let it be 150 only. Let it be 80. Let it be 60 and close. Now I will make few lines there. Now select this line, right click and make convert to reference. Quick trim command to remove this extra lines. Now just gives few of the dimensions, that is this distance I want it to be 18 and this distance to be half, that is 9, and this distance should be 0. Now what we will do, just make them coincide all the points. This point and this point, this and this one, this with this. Now we need a vertical. This should be vertical. This should be vertical. Close and fit. Again, geometric constraints, concentric. Select this circle and this also with this, and coincide this one to the center. Close. Now it is symmetric about the center. What we will do, we need 6 of the this grooves or anything you want to say, 6 teeth, which are, for that I will make 2 construction lines. Like this. Then first I will make them to reference, then I will give dimension. 30 degree. Similarly here would be 30 degrees. Now select these curves to this one, and this one. Then from here, mirror curve about this axis. Central axis, this one. It is mirrored about it. Then similarly apply central axis are not intersecting with the. Now we can mirror these. Okay, select this mirror. The central axis would be this one. Apply, select again, mirror curve about this axis. Similarly, I will have to make another that would be horizontal line from here to here. Escape, right click and make it to reference. Now select all these curves and mirror all of them around the horizontal axis. And okay, now select the quick trim command and remove all the extra curves from the figure and close. This is how another mirror command is used along a circular pattern. That's all for today. We have done the mirror command and fillet. Where is their dimension going? Okay, all the dimensions are clear. So that's all. Thank you very much.